Choosing the right electrical panel for your home is an important decision and depends on several factors. Here are a few key considerations to keep in mind when trying to select the appropriate electrical panel for your home. The first consideration would be capacity and amperage. What size of electrical service do you have, and how many circuits do you need available to accommodate your existing electrical system? The most common residential electrical service sizes are 100 amps, 200 amps, and 400 amps. Another consideration is space for future expansion. If you have a renovation remodel project or room addition, basement finish, for example, planned in the future, you may want to consider that when you replace your electrical panel to make sure that you can accommodate the additional load for that expansion. Another consideration would be brand and quality. You want to make sure you purchase an electrical panel that is from a reputable manufacturer that is UL listed, and also one that has readily available parts. Another consideration would be your budget. Most electrical panels come with an aluminum bus or a copper bus. The aluminum bus, while it'll save you money, is probably not quite as good of quality as a panel with a copper bus. Both are UL listed and code compliant, and your budget may play a part in which panel you choose.